Today I'll show you a few tips and tricks for the Touch 3D stylus. Hopefully these will be helpful, but the best way to develop your skills with the Touch is to use it. Practice makes perfect. To remove the Touch 3D stylus from the box, grab the body of the device with both hands. Do not lift from the stylus pen or arm because this could damage the device. Placing the stylus in the inkwell calibrates the Touch. If you disconnect the power cable or USB, or if you're having trouble receiving force feedback, calibrate the Touch by placing the stylus in the inkwell. Calibration may take up to a second, so don't immediately remove the stylus from the inkwell. While working in Cubify Sculpt with the Touch, you can rotate your view in a few ways. The arrow keys will shift the view by precise increments. Holding down G on your keyboard grabs the model on the screen, allowing you to move it around freely with the stylus. Holding down H on your keyboard allows you to pan and zoom without rotating the model. The J key on your keyboard allows you to rotate along the axis. But the easiest way to rotate your view without using your keyboard is to hold down the second button on the Touch stylus. This grabs the model on the screen, just like the G button. Once you've grabbed it, you can twist it, zoom in or out, and rotate it freely. The Touch lets you reach into digital space, but the device itself has physical limitations. The physical workspace of the Touch only extends as far as the arm, but that doesn't mean that your virtual workspace is restricted. Occasionally, if you zoom too far in or out, your virtual stylus will end up somewhere you won't be able to feel the digital model. Recalibrating the device by inserting the stylus into the inkwell can sometimes resolve this. But an alternative is to change the mapping of the physical haptic workspace to the virtual workspace by holding down Alt plus G or Alt plus H on your keyboard and pushing or pulling the stylus. This changes the touchable area on the screen. It's not a simple concept to grasp at first, so spend some time playing around with it. That's all for now. We hope you enjoyed these Touch 3D stylus tips and tricks from 3D Systems.